Friends, myself Jagdish Kar, lecturer in zoology, KB DAV College, Nirakarpur. Today I am going to discuss some of the PG Zoology entrance question of the year 2021. Here the question is, RNA was the first formed biomolecule during the origin of life. It is supported by one of the following. The options are A. RNA is a short chain. B. It has a ribose sugar. C. RNA copies from the chain can be formed spontaneously in a protein-free environment. D. Glycerol derivatives might have been involved in place of ribose in RNA. Here the correct answer is A. RNA is a short chain. RNA is a short chain. It contains up to 165 bases. It can synthesize other molecules like DNA, which have been artificially produced in the lab. It is the first formed organic molecule that could copy itself. Let us proceed to the next question. After the evolution of DNA from RNA, the RNA becomes an agent to decode the stored information and subsequently evolved the option A, DNA to RNA, RNA to protein path. B, RNA to DNA, DNA to protein path. DNA to protein, protein to RNA path. D, RNA to protein, protein to DNA path. Here the correct answer is DNA to RNA, RNA to protein path. Here DNA can be formed from DNA molecule by the process of replication. RNA can be produced from the DNA by the process of transcription. Protein can be produced from the RNA by the process of translation. And the total process DNA to RNA, RNA to protein is called central dogma in molecular biology. Next question is, sudden, discontinuous and heritable changes is called A, variation, B, mutation, C, inheritance of acquired characters, D, natural selection. Here the correct answer is mutation. Mutation is the change that occur in a DNA or gene which is due to damage or change caused in the DNA or the gene. It produces alteration of a genetic message. Mutation is the sudden large change which is heritable, and mutation is the sudden, discontinuous and heritable changes. So the option B is the correct one. The next question is, homologous organs provide evidence of A, parallel evolution, B, divergent evolution, C, convergent evolution, D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is B. Divergent evolution. Homologous organs have common origin. They are also built on same fundamental pattern, but due to varied functions, they are found to be different. The homology indicates common origin, but due to adaptation, the homologous organs are found to be different in structure. Homologous organs show divergent evolution in which related species show unique traits due to selective pressure. Next question is, Darwin's finches provide an evidence of evolution which is A. Paleontological, B. Embryological, C. Biochemical, D. Biogeographical. Here the correct answer is D. Biogeographical. The finches are the fruit eating birds. They also eat insects. They show divergent evolution and their beaks are modified according to the food sources available to them in different places of Galapagos Island. They are found distributed throughout the Galapagos Island. So they show biogeographical evidences of evolution. The next question is, which of the following is a living fossil? A. Sphenodon, B. Platypus, C. Latimeria, D. All the above. Here the correct answer is all the above. Living fossil is an organism that have remained unchanged from its relatives which are extinct. That means living species show little changes or no changes from their extinct counterparts. Which of the following is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda? The options are A. Limulus, B. Peripatus, C. Saculina, D. Polygonius. Here the correct option is Peripatus. Peripatus is the connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda because it shows both Annelidan and Arthropodan characters, so that they are considered as intermediate between the two. So they are the connecting link between the Annelida and Arthropoda. This much for today. Thank you.